But you know, this journey has gone on for 40 years. And it's the 41st year. Can I have the music just die down a bit? And what completes this journey, more than the moves that I do on stage, is the manner in which I hope I can move your hearts as well. So here, in Ontario, I know that some of you came here to be inspired by what you see, and perhaps that's already what's happened. But I want to inspire you with what you hear. And it's my desire, being so full of gratitude, that in this milestone of TFC 30 years, maybe some of you have not been able to fulfill your dreams, but it is my desire to inspire. And maybe this song can help remind you that if you've somehow done the Michael Jackson, backslide away from the one who's given you all the amazing blessings in your life, then the best thing you can do is just slide back. Slide back into His arms, into His promises. Slide back into the place where He can prepare you so that He can give you what He promised you even before you were born. So allow me to sing this for you. Wag lang natin siya kakalimutan. Minsan naliligaw tayo ng landas, alam ko yun. Pero lagi natin isipin na pwede naman tayong umuwi sa Kanya uli, gaya ng dati. Be blessed with this song, folks.